scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Particle diagrams look tricky, but we can solve this chemistry problem by counting the ions in each box. Let's find the right reaction. First, look at the initial box, which contains 8 separate cations and 8 anions. This represents the reactants in aqueous solution before they combine to form any solid precipitate products. Next, examine the second box where 4 cations and 4 anions have formed a solid at the bottom. This means half of our original ions reacted to create the precipitate. Since the ion ratio is 1:1 and the stoichiometry matches perfectly, option A is the only choice that fits our diagram.
Well done! Scan the code you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush, trust given data, and check steps for success.